Hi, this is 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today I'm showcasing the UPro case from Torras Life, and this is for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. And what's really cool about it is this kickstand. Pops up really quickly, easily foldable away, pops up quick. So you can have it vertically like that, or you can have it horizontally like this. And either way works, and it's nice and stable. Has a really good impact protection. The plastic is pretty thick around the sides. It has full button covers on all sides for the power and the volume, but you can still get to your charging port and your microphone and speaker. But that's the coolest feature right here, and it's flat enough to fit in your pocket and it won't snag on anything. This is the UPro case from Torras Life for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments. And of course, thumbs up.